Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do one of the interesting things. Before going forward to it, let's take an example. So if you are watching any movie and you need to control the speed of the fan, you need to get up and go to the switchboard where the connection has been given. Instead of going to there, like how we can control the speed of the fan within our system. In this example, I have taken the LED light, like how we control the intensity of the LED light. So in order to understand this topic, no, we can write in the previously, if you have watched my previous videos, I have used the analog write function in order to on and off the LED light. But in order to increase or decrease the intensity of the light, or intensity is nothing but the brightness of the LED light, we can use the that is analog write function. Okay, analog write function is used as a pulse width modulation, where we can able to control the intensity or brightness of the LED light. So now let's go to the software part, what we are going to write for this. In the previous video, in the LED light automation, I have used with the help of the Bolt Cloud, but in this video I would do with the help of the Python library. So let's go back to the code. So you can observe these are the simple line of code which we are able to control the light. First we have imported the Python library, and then importing the Bolt class from the Bolt IoT Python library, and then these are the API key and the device ID of the Bolt Wi-Fi module, and then we are using the Bolt function and passing the two parameters API key and the device ID and store it in the myBolt variable, and using this myBolt variable and passing the analog write function where it carries the two parameters. First one it is a pin number and second one it is the value, that is the state, or we can, in this example we can call it as the intensity. For the analog, it was not the on and off, we would use the variables, that is the 0 to 250, where 0 is the minimum, that is the off state, and 250 it is the maximum, that is the maximum brightness, that is intensity we can see. And then we are printing the response. First I would write the parameters at, since I have connected it to the 0, I would write the pin as a 0. And first, starting with this, I would write the first as a voltage or value at as a 0. If I get enter, if I pass the value to it, so when we run this program, sudo python3 led.py and then run, you can see since I have passed the 0, the LED light is off. And now we shall give the other value. Now I am giving the 10 as the voltage, that is the value. Now let's see what's going on. If I run the program, you can observe the intensity. It is light. And now let's see for the different voltage. Now I am giving as a 100 as a value. Now let's see what's the brightness of the LED light. If we run the program, now let's see, this is that for the 10 value. Now let's observe, if I give the 100 and click on the enter button, you can see the brightness of the light has been increased. Now let's see for the another value. Now I have increased the value from 100 to 200. Now let's see what's the intensity of the LED light. This is the intensity for the 100. Now by running the program, by giving the 200, let's see the intensity. I am clicking the enter button, and let's see, you can observe the brightness of the LED light is still goes on increases. Now let's see for the 250. Now you can observe I have given the value for the 250. Now let's see what's the brightness of the, it will be, as we can accept the maximum brightness we can expect from the LED light. Let's see what will happen. This is for the 200. Now when I click the enter button, let's observe the brightness of the intensity light. Still the brightness of this is the maximum brightness of the LED light. So guys, This is what the how we can control the brightness of the LED light using the Python library. Thank you. Stay tuned for the more videos. Likes.